Hello, my name's Kanji Coder, and I fucking hate this. Let's go. In data by system, we have this mutable data section for EG state. Here's our EG state editor object, and I'm just looking at this because I'm getting my bearings. It's been a while. Okay, down here, a little tag to find this data, because, like I said, I'm getting my bearings. It's been a while. In the tat-sobo function section, in our little bitpack helper that's going to get a U32 to put into the tile map for the stained-on bombs data, we added some error checking. This new section, we're just balance checking the inputs. That's all we're doing. In the tile-fed function section, we have a helper function that is for editor controller 2 when we're laying stained-on bombs. And all of the code in here was just moved from a function with this name right here. We're further specifying things, and now the function with this name is a switchboard. So all this code, it was just moved. So I'm not going to go over this code because we don't have time. It was just cut and pasted. All this code was cut and pasted from this function down here. Okay, this function right here is the editor controller to U32 getter for when we're laying the FATA encoded monochrome images. There's nothing in here. We'll write this in a different video, the next video. And then right here, this function that gets a U32 when the program is behaving as an editor for when the editor controller is editor controller 2, the stained on bombs editor. This function has just been gutted and turned into a little switchboard. So what am I laying down? So this is a monkey wrench macro right here, and then we have the stained on bombs mode extracted from the editor, and then the constants for laying stained on bombs, the constant for laying a femi tile. This is our output U32. If we're in the lay glass mode, we're going to use this helper function to get the U32. If we're in lay femi tile mode, we're going to use this helper function to get the U32. And if it's neither of those modes, we have an error. We're going to crash. And then the output U32 is output U32 bin tile. We'll spit it out right here. And that's it. So here's some other footnotes and stuff. We don't have time to go over them. Like and subscribe, send money in the mail. You have been on this playlist. If you want a longer explanation, you can go here. Tech demos only here. Source code is here. Ways of getting a hold of me. My name is Kanji Coder, and I'm making a fully destructible fractal geometry side-scroller pocket Bomberman MMO, and it uses GoldenEye-style proximity mines with directional blasts. I am coding the entire engine from complete scratch. I am documenting every single fucking line of code, and I am open sourcing it. Like, subscribe, and follow.